Okay, looking at question 8. Now, this can be a tricky question sometimes, but let's just work through it and see if there's a way that we can approach it to make it a bit easier. We've got two numbers, m and n, such that m is a multiple of 5 and n is an even number. So basically all it means is a multiple of 2, okay? M and n will be bigger numbers than 5 and 2 respectively because 5 and 2 are multiples, okay? Now the highest common factor of m and n is 7, which means 7 can be divided into that number. And I've got to think of some possible values, okay? So there'll be several that we could choose from, but let's see how we can come up with the basic one. So we know n is an even number, and there's a factor of 7 into it. So the easiest way I could do is just multiply those by 2 together. I've got 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, so that's a potential value for n. Let's do the same with m. 5 times 7 gives me 35. So those are my potential numbers. Now we could have had different numbers and they would still give me the combination that I needed on there. And it doesn't matter which one that you choose from.